Hey guys, Anthony here. It is Wednesday night, about 8:20 p.m. Eastern Time. I've got the HF rig on the ICOM 718. I'm trying to pick up anything that's going on in Florida.
Roger, Roger. Appreciate the correction. You're 5-9 on all three parts. Roger, Roger. You are 5-9 here in South Carolina. Take care. 73.
I've also got my 2-meter rig going for local stuff.
Check one for Victor Kilo.
See what else we can find here.
Now, there, keep that in mind now. See for what about it? No, I did not know about that, Jim. Over. Oh, okay, all right. I understand the SDR receivers. All right, well, thank you there, James. Anyway, that's a new one over there. All right, Jim, thanks for that, my brother. Back to you, over. Rio was got you. Who else is in it? You are watching for brother. Yeah, I know. This got the other night. And I knew you're not here. I just couldn't remember your name. I knew you were around here. Looks like we've got 84, 25, and they're on 7.268. And you can go to HW, let me see, HWN.com, and on your computer, it'll be... Understood everything both of you said as far as the words that came out of your mouth, whether I understood the concepts or not. That's another story. They say women do that. It's in the ladder. I thought. All I need is more wattage and higher antennas on your shirt. That's a good one. And boy, you did see the aurora. Wow, those are great pictures.
This is the 40-meter band. I'm not picking up anything major for the storm, but I am getting a lot of other activity of people talking.
You're right. It's all crazy, the whole thing. Okay, go ahead, Jay, and say hello to Ken up there. Let's see, NE2Q. Oh, you wanted to know...
This seems like a traffic net going on right now.
Okay, NE2Q, WA3FET. Okay, all right, thank you for the consideration. And hello, good evening, Ken. My name is Jay. I was 40 miles north of New York City.
This guy's up in New York City. Remember, I'm in South Carolina.
Get on there. I don't remember the last time I was on there.
All right, I guess we'll stop back later this evening, later on, and see what's going on. This is Anthony signing off on the 40-meter HF band.